Premium B650 only makes sense when it offers something tangible. With the 7800X3D, that usually means B650E boards, because the E designation guarantees PCIe 5.0 support for the GPU slot and often comes with a more refined overall build. The main boards worth looking at here are the ASUS ROG Strix B650EF gaming Wi-Fi, the higher-end B650E-E, and boards like the Gigabyte B650E AORUS Master if you're building something storage-heavy. It's important to be clear about expectations. A premium board will not increase your gaming performance with the 7800X3D. The reason to buy one is platform longevity, expansion support, and build quality. The ASUS ROG Strix B650EF gaming Wi-Fi hits the best balance in this tier. It gives you B650E features without going overboard, has a well-regarded BIOS environment, and includes quality-of-life features that make building and upgrading easier over time. This board makes sense if you plan to keep the motherboard through multiple GPU upgrades, care about having PCIe 5.0 available, or simply want a more refined platform without jumping into extreme pricing. So the premium pick is the ASUS ROG Strix B650EF gaming Wi-Fi. It's a good fit for higher-end builds where the motherboard is part of a longer-term plan. You get strong overall design, modern expansion support, and a cleaner tuning experience compared to mid-range boards. The downside is cost, and the fact that most of its benefits are about convenience and future planning, not immediate performance. If your goal is maximum gaming performance per dollar today, the overall value tier still makes more sense. If you need more I/O and storage than the B650EF provides, the B650E-E is the step-up option. And if your build is focused on heavy storage or multiple high-speed devices, a board like the B650E AORUS Master can make sense, but only when those features are actually needed. For small form factor builds, priorities change again. Mini ITX boards can run the 7800X3D just fine, but cooling and layout matter more. If you want a practical ITX option, MSI's MPG B650i Edge Wi-Fi is commonly used in compact gaming builds. If you want B650E features on an ITX system, ASUS's ROG Strix B650E-I is the premium option as long as airflow is planned carefully.